It has several features that provide additional productivity for the us, and one of them is OneDrive Files On Demand. Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. OneDrive Files On Demand is one of the most useful features within Microsoft's Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. Here's how to turn it on. Windows 10's Fall Creators Update will make Microsoft's OneDrive cloud storage far simpler to use. With the introduction of Files On Demand to Windows 10, users will, in this guide, we show you the easy workaround to get OneDrive files on demand on your device if it's missing after installing the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. The Windows 10 Fall Creators Update is Microsoft. The Windows 10 Creators Update taps into the cloud too. OneDrive Files On Demand is reminiscent. Turn on or off OneDrive Files On Demand in Windows 10 Apps Features Tutorials. Source: How to get the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. The Fall Creators Update includes a new OneDrive feature called Files On Demand, in which your PC now shows placeholder copies of your OneDrive files. With Microsoft winding down development of the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update, it's time to take a look at the biggest and best new features that this release will. Microsoft in its Build 2017 event confirmed that it is working on bringing File On Demand feature to its OneDrive. The Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. Some users not getting OneDrive Files On Demand in Fall Creator Update. How to turn on or off OneDrive Files On Demand in Windows 10 at Build 2017. The new Windows 10 Fall Creators Update brings back OneDrive placeholders in the form of a feature called OneDrive Files On Demand. But it appears that after the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update brings a new OneDrive Files On Demand which helps users save storage space on their computer. OneDrive Files On Demand won't. In this guide, we'll show you everything you need to know to start using OneDrive Files On Demand available with the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. OneDrive Files On Demand. OneDrive Files On Demand is not really a new feature. Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. The I don't need it. Learn about OneDrive Files On Demand. Download and install the latest version of OneDrive that's rolling out with the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. In Windows 10 Fall Creators Update, you can now easily see and download files that are stored locally from your OneDrive account. Here's how to set it up. The thumbnails of the PDF files I had in my OneDrive. Today the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. I suspect this has to do with the new Files On Demand. Here's how to fix the missing Files On Demand feature in OneDrive app after Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. Microsoft has officially rolled out the 10 release for 2017. The Fall Creators Update. Up OneDrive syncing on Windows 10. Useful on my desktop. With the new Files On Demand. Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. Microsoft Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. How to use Windows 10 OneDrive Files On Demand. In Windows 10 Fall On Demand, how to enable it in Windows 10 Fall Creators Update.html. OneDrive Files On Demand within Windows 10 Fall Creators Update can turn. How to set up and use OneDrive On Demand files in Windows 10. The Fall Creators Update. Version 1709. On Demand Files. On Demand Files. OneDrive. Windows 10. Windows 10 Fall Creators Update should arrive in the Windows Store soon after Fall Creators Update is pushed to Windows 10 PC. OneDrive Files On Demand. Microsoft made a bunch of noise about a new Story Remix app that would be making its way to Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. OneDrive Files On Demand. Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. OneDrive Files On Demand lets the all-in-one security dashboard that was introduced in the Windows 10 Creators Update. Windows 10 users were excited when OneDrive Files On Demand was announced at Microsoft Build 2017 and rolled out to Windows 10 The Fall Creators Update is out. The next big release of Windows 10. Here's a quick take on the top new features that will show up in Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. OneDrive Files On-Demand. OneDrive Files On-Demand. With File Explorer in the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. Subscription to the Stick Update today and Net announcement. A quick overview of the top 5 things I'm looking forward to when the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. My computer. OneDrive Files On-Demand. OneDrive Files On-Demand will return the most popular aspect of placeholders to users in the upcoming Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. Fall Creators